Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your travel budget with StudentUniverse easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the StudentUniverse website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your email and password. Navigate to the home page to explore travel options. Select your desired travel destination and dates. Use the search function to find flights or accommodations. Filter results based on your budget and preferences. Take advantage of any student discounts available. Review the details of your chosen flight or hotel. Add extras if needed, such as baggage or insurance. Proceed to the checkout page to finalize your booking. Enter your payment information carefully. Confirm your reservation and check for any confirmation emails. Keep an eye on your budget throughout the planning process. Consider using the price alert feature for future travel savings. Explore local activities and attractions that fit within your budget. Lastly, review your travel documents before your trip. Follow these steps to effectively scale your travel budget with StudentUniverse. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.